Well, hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm doing a short walk from the old Bedford Ironworks in Cefn Cribwr to the derelict Stormy Lime Works, which are just over a mile away. The lime works are often referred to as Tranch Pyle Lime Works or maybe Kenfig Lime Works. There's a variety of names for the place. I couldn't find a great deal of information about the early history of the lime works. It was established around the mid-1800s to supply lime to the neighbouring iron and steel industries. And here it is on a map, and this map dates from 1888. By the way, if you want to find out more about the old Bedford Ironworks and the industrial heritage, the coal and iron industry of this area, I made a video about a year ago, and I put the link below, and I'll be coming up next as well. As well as the industrial heritage, I also made a video in the summer about Stormy Down and Stormy Down Castle. Not many people know about Stormy Down Castle, and I'll put that link below as well. Anyway, before I start my walk, let's have a quick look at the old Bedford Ironworks. Like I said, if you want to find out more, have a look at the video linked below. Unfortunately, you can't actually enter the site because of the state of the building. It's been sealed off, but you can walk around it and have a look over the fence. So let's have a quick look. Getting back to the lime works themselves, at the start I did mention I did some research and I couldn't find a lot of information about the place. I think it closed around the early 2000s, and I think the operators then were Blue Circle. If you know more about the place, or maybe you worked there, let me know below. But there's two main reasons I'm taking the walk today. One, despite being very close to Porthcawl, and I drive past this area of Cefn Cribwr quite a lot, I don't really know it that well. So I'm just going for a walk to have a look around the countryside, get to know the area. And secondly, the site itself is meant to be quite eerie. There's lots of machinery there, it's derelict, there's buildings. I've seen photographs online, and it seems perfect for an autumn walk, especially as the night's drawing. So I'm just going for the atmosphere as well, get some spooky atmosphere. It sounds like it would have been really good for a 1970s Doctor Who episode. Anyway, let's go and take a look. As I'm walking through the woods on the way down to the lime works from Cefn Cribwr, it is quite eerie. Even though it's the middle of the afternoon, I think it's quite dark today, and the sound of the wind howling through the trees. Ooh. As you can see, I've made it to the old lime works. Just to let you know, I've kept to public footpaths. I haven't climbed over any fences or gone past any keep out signs. But there is an update. The path from Cefn Cribwr is closed. Just hear the train. You have to cross the railway line, and for safety reasons they've closed it off. So if you do want to visit, I would come from the western side, the Stormy Down side. Again, there's a footpath from there coming over to this area. You hear the train? That's the main line. Anyway, let's go take a look. I must admit, normally I don't really get spooked, but this, with all the creaking metal, it is spooking me out a bit. So it's really funny. It's as if everyone just left one afternoon and the place has been touched since. And when I was filming, the main line is just behind those trees. I was concentrating on the camera and suddenly there was a loud roar of a train going past. That made me jump. Every kid's dream to drive a digger. This one looks like it's from Mad Max or something. As I'm walking around, there's like weird noises. What's that? Is someone there? Is someone there? So that was a quick look at some more of South Wales's industrial past. With the sound of the metal, the shadows and the banging and things like that, and there's no one else here, it is quite eerie. See what I mean? But anyway, if you want to see some more videos of the area, some walks and some history about South Wales, those videos are coming up next, and I'll see you in one of those. Bye.